Alright, thanks for watching another video, guys. And what we're going to do for you today is we're going to make a really simple, really easy recipe. It's going to be peanut butter. So a question that I get a lot is how to make nut butters. People are usually really surprised that you can make nut butters in the Vitamix. It is really simple. It's really easy. I feel like I say that about all the Vitamix recipes, but they are really simple, really easy. This one is as simple as it gets. It's just 4 cups of dry roasted nuts. That's all you need is 4 cups of dry roasted nuts, any kind of nuts. So I've got peanuts here. You can do peanuts, you can do cashews, you can do almonds, you can do any kind of nut you want. You know, people make nut butters out of sunflower seeds, pistachios, whatever it is that you want to use, you can do that. You can do combinations of them. You can get fun with it. You can add some sugar and cinnamon in there. You can, at the end, add a little bit of chocolate or whatever you want. However you want to do it. We're going to keep it simple and easy. We're just going to do 4 cups of roasted peanuts, dry roasted peanuts, and we're just going to run them on high for about 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. It's going to make it nice and smooth. I'm going to run mine for probably closer to 3 minutes. I like it to be really smooth. So once again, the machine I'm working with here today is the Vitamix A3500. It's our latest and greatest machine, but you can make this nut butter with any Vitamix blender out there. It doesn't have to be this machine. It can be any of them. 5000 series, 5200, Turbo Blend 2-speed. Any Vitamix blender you have is going to be able to make you a nut butter. So really easy. All we're going to do is we're going to take our 4 cups of dry roasted nuts, put them in our container right there. We're going to pop this right here on our machine. Put the lid on. We're going to make sure you put that lid on. And then we're just going to go ahead and we're going to start it off in one. For 2.5 minutes. It is really smooth. I want to show you how smooth this is. I know it's hard for people to believe how smooth it comes out. I'm going to just scrape off this tamper stick a little bit here real quick because I want to get all this peanut butter. We go through a lot of peanut butter at my house. I've got 4 boys, and so we don't want to waste any of this peanut butter. And you can use like the residual that's in here. I've got this blade scraper that I'm using. This is a nice little tool. I recommend anyone who has a Vitamix, especially these low profile containers, that you pick up one of these. You can get it on the website. Really handy, especially for things like this for these nut butters. You can use this to get all the residual out of there, but also if you have like some left on there, you see it warmed it up, made it hot there, but if you got some left on the container there, you can actually go ahead and just make some with this. You can make like a peanut sauce, or you can go ahead and just make like a smoothie or a milkshake, like a peanut butter milkshake. But look at that, beautiful. It's completely smooth right there. It's totally velvety, perfect texture. It's even a little warm there. And it's just, all this is just peanuts, just dry roasted peanuts. You can use any sort of nut, like I said. You can make almond butter, cashew butter, all those things. Really simple, really easy. And it just comes out of there really just beautiful, perfect texture. It's actually gonna be a little bit warm here. You can, have a nice little snack, dip some carrots or, celery or whatever you want in there. And all you have to do is just put it into an airtight container. I've got a nice little container here. I'm gonna store it in the pantry and we will be good to go. So really a simple thing you can do with your Vitamix blender. It's a very powerful machine. The Vitamix is gonna be able to make you nut butters without any issue whatsoever. So don't be afraid to make a nut butter. Make sure you just run it on high. And if I can do it, folks, so can you. I'm not some sort of chef. Didn't go to culinary school. Just a man with the world's best blender. I'll clean all this out here once we're done with this video. But you can get it all out of there. You can really take your time and scrape it all out with this blade scraper. Get underneath those blades and all of that. Now, I appreciate you guys watching my video. I hope everybody is doing well out there. And really just having a great time using your Vitamix blender. Thank you.